Getting to know your Frigidaire window-mounted air conditioner is easy. The settings and features on your model may vary. Before getting started, make sure to remove all packaging materials along with any inserts placed in the side louvers. If just installed, allow the air conditioner to sit upright for 1 hour before operating. When first turning on your air conditioner, it will default to cool mode with eco feature and the auto fan speed setting. Let's go over the modes available on most models and how to use them. Fan-only mode is used when cooling is not desired, but rather for air circulation. Any fan speed can be used in this mode. The display will show the actual temperature of the room. Auto mode is a combination of cool mode and the auto fan speed setting. When in use, the fan speed cannot be selected manually. When using cool mode, the fan remains continuously on, with a compressor cycling on and off when the room temperature is reached. Dry mode is available on some models. In this mode, the air conditioner will work like a dehumidifier while also cooling the room. The temperature can be adjusted between 62 degrees Fahrenheit, 17 degrees Celsius, and 86 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 degrees Celsius, and the fan speed will be held on the low setting. Your air conditioner may also be equipped with a sleep feature. When this feature is activated, the unit defaults to the auto fan speed and the temperature will increase by 2 degrees 30 minutes after selected and then another 2 degrees after an additional 30 minutes. This adjusted temperature is active for 7 hours before returning to the original selected temperature. Sleep mode can be canceled at any time by pressing Sleep, Fan Speed, or the Mode button. You may have 4 fan speed settings to choose from: Auto, Low, Medium, and High, unless you are using the Auto or Dry mode or the Sleep feature is activated. Depending on your model, you may be able to set a timer on your air conditioner. The timer function enables you to either delay start or delay stop your air conditioner from 30 minutes to 24 hours. To set the timer for delay start, the unit must be turned off. To set the timer for delay stop, the unit must be turned on. Next, press the timer button and adjust the timer settings by pressing the up or down indicators until your desired time is reached. You may select timing increments up to 24 hours. The display will count down the time remaining until the unit either starts or stops. Once the time is completed, to use the timer function again, you will need to reset your selections. Finally, the temperature can be adjusted by using the up and down indicators until the desired temperature is shown in the display. Your air conditioner temperature range is between 62 degrees Fahrenheit or 17 degrees Celsius and 86 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius. Don't forget to reference your use and care manual for tips on using your air conditioner remote control and the remote sensing feature if available. We're here to help. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online at the Frigidaire website.